Look at here who is also got added to reactions. It's Ate Andrea.
Yours.
Look at Koa, he's fighting to get the microphone.
Bi, mahulog na, Bi.
Iska.
May video na tayo. Pero video na panaitan mo.
And see you on the full video in YouTube. Just press this button later at the top. It says that Blue got added to reactions.
And what do you want
Bye.
to say to your friends who will watch you? Say hi, don't be jealous.
Hi, don't be jealous,
And
my friends,
do hard work and study like me.
and do hard work to just make videos like me. Bye.
Bye-bye.
By the end of the shorts.
This man also wants a video here. Shh. Koa.
I will be back in. We will start the vlog, the live streaming at May 25
What is on me?
because we're going to Butuan. Bye.
Okay, we will do tomorrow.